luscious and chocolatey taste. So without further ado, let's get baking! To begin, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, remember to grease or butter your pan. To make these brownies, you need 1/3 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet or dark, but today I'm going to be using semi-sweet. 1/2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup yogurt, 2/3 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Now we will mix together the chocolate chips and the butter. We need to microwave this, and be sure to do it in 2 parts. So first, do it for 15 seconds and then stir it. And then do it again for 15 seconds, because if you put it in the microwave for too long, it may burn. Mix together the butter and the chocolate after they are melted. Also, if they don't melt after about 30 seconds, you can microwave them more for around 8 to 10 seconds. Now, we will sift together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and the salt. Just sift these together, because if you don't, then there will be lumps in the batter. Now, in a larger bowl, we'll mix together the sugar, the vanilla extract, and the yogurt. Now you can mix this together using a stand mixer, a hand mixer, or a whisk. I'm going to use a hand mixer. Now we will add in the chocolate mixture. After you add in the chocolate, mix it again. The last thing you have to add in the batter is the flour mixture. Now you can mix it. Make sure to scrape off the sides of the bowl, because we don't want any ingredients to be left out. We will mix it one more time. Now we just have to pour the batter in. Make sure that your batter has a neutral consistency. It should be thick, but it can also be a little thin. Remember to spread out the batter evenly through the pan. Now we just have to put the batter into the oven. Bake the brownies for around 15 minutes. Once the brownies are baked, you can take them out. But you might need to bake them for an extra 15 minutes because they will still be a little jiggly and gooey. You can check by putting in a knife and making sure that it's clean. I really hope you enjoyed these brownies. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. If you have any feedback or any ideas, you can comment down below. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video!